Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, this is the chart of gold, and this candle was formed by gold after NFP. We discussed about NFP. We discussed the possibility of a big move on NFP if there is a big difference between the expected number and the actual number. And yes, there was a big difference between the expected number and the real number. And that's why markets showed big moves yesterday. Gold made a low of 2027, and surprisingly the support around 2030 worked. Apart from having support around this area, we also had a 200 moving average as dynamic support, and this worked nicely. Usually in this type of market situation, the support levels do not work. Okay, and after this kind of heavy sell-off, okay, taking a buy at support is extremely risky. I did not take, okay, I was on a sell position. But yes, those who took a buy, those who took the risk, okay, and I hope they made good profit. But usually this type of support levels do not work. Anyways, ultimately market closed at 2039. So this is the chart of gold right now in front of us. You can see dollar index hit 7-week high. This is the market sentiment. You can see, my dear friends, US dollar index jumped to a 7-week high in a broad rally in Friday after data showed that employers added far more jobs in January than expected, reducing the chances of near-term Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. And if you look at the economic calendar, you can see, my dear friends, the expectation was 180k, 1,80,000 jobs, and the numbers came around 353k. There was a huge difference between the expected number and the actual number. We discussed yesterday about this, and you can see the result came to be bearish for gold, which was bullish for DXY. As a result, there was pressure on gold, my dear friends. And if you're wondering what is this, then this is the economic calendar of FastBull. Earlier also I have shown this calendar to you guys, that this calendar is extremely useful because it shows the impact. Okay, you can see gold bearish, gold bullish. So it becomes easier for us to understand in which direction the market is about to move. We can also change to XAG, USD, WTI, USDX according to your own choice. And the best part is that you can also set alerts. Let me show you. For example, next week, Monday, okay, you can see China, some news coming up. Okay, so if you want to trade on the news, okay, you can just set an alert so that you do not miss the move. And if you want to do some fundamental analysis, because fundamental analysis is very important, you can just click on the view and you can do your own research. So fastbull.com is very useful, not only for financial updates and news, but also for fundamental analysis. And I love their economic calendar, because most of the time we get confused at the time of news in which direction the market will be moving, or especially our goal will be moving. But FastBull cuts out the confusion. Okay, so if you want, you can check out, the link will be in the description and also in the comment section. Okay, now let's look at the chart of DXY right now. So yes, dollar index loved the result. As a result, we got to see this candle on the US dollar index or DXY. DXY closed at the resistance. So next week will be very important, because next week, okay, we will have to see whether DXY successfully breaks this resistance or not. To continue the upside, DXY needs to cross this resistance, and with the help of the fundamentals, I think DXY will be able to break the resistance if any news doesn't come out during the weekend. Okay, and right after the market opening, if you see DXY showing some red candles, it may be a retracement, because DXY right now have the backing of the fundamentals. So in the coming days, especially by next week, we can expect that DXY will be giving a tough fight to the sellers sitting at this level, and hopefully DXY will be able to break the resistance as well. So that's all about US dollar index. Now let's discuss about the trading opportunities for gold. If you look at the higher time frame, then you will not get any clear answer here, because on higher time frame still we do not have any clean trend right now. We still can see that gold is struggling. We do not have any particular trend present, so that's why we have been sticking to the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, yes, not a good time frame for swing traders or position traders, but at least for day trading purpose, okay, we were getting the levels. So here you can see that yesterday market formed a big red candle, and if you look at the structure of the market, then structure of the market has been bullish because market has been forming higher highs and higher lows. Yesterday, okay, not a very significant low, but still gold formed a lower low here. So the next high of gold will be very important. To continue the upside, gold will have to form a higher high. What? Gold will have to form a higher high means gold needs to cross 2070, 2080, then only it will be a confirmation of a trend continuation. But in case gold fails to form a higher high, and let's assume that gold reverses from 2050, it will be a trend reversal indication from the structure of the market. Okay, so the market opening is going to be very important because on higher time frame we do not have a clear picture. Okay, and if market do not have a clear picture, then we cannot force it, because after all we are traders. So it is not possible to predict the market. We are traders, we have limited capital, we are not institutions, so we can only react as per the movement of the market. So first of all, in the coming days, okay, in the coming days, if you see gold breaking 2027 and going down, you can look for a sell position, because at the same time the US dollar index or DXY will also be going up. If that happens, the pressure will remain on gold, and in that case we can look for a sell below 2027, because the trend of the market will be like this, because gold will be heading towards 2000 level, because the next reliable support on the chart of gold is at 2000 and then 1980. Okay, so around around 2015 2010 we have some support. Okay, around this area you can see we have some support, but this level is far away, 2015 2010 level. So let's not talk about it, because this will be a just waste of time. Similarly, the reliable resistances on the chart of gold are around 2070 that we have already discussed, and we have some sellers sitting at 2080, but these two levels are also far away from the current market price. Or in simple words, the reliable levels of buy and sell are far away from the current market price. Okay, so that's why we need to observe the next move of gold. The market opening is going to be very important if any news comes up, because there is also a geopolitical tension going on. We cannot deny it. So because of any geopolitical tension, if we see an aggressive opening on gold, then try to follow the trend of the market, because I have heard that US has attacked some ships. So still we don't know how the market is going to react. So if market opens aggressively, because whenever there is a crisis in the world, gold shoots. So if that happens, try to follow the trend of the market. Okay, but if you see that the market opening is very slow, the NFP's influence is there in the market, in that case you can look for a sell position. Where you can look for a sell position, my dear friends, you can look for a sell position around 2050. Around 2050 to 2052 you can look for some selling pressure, because you can see the previous support will be working as resistance. Along with that, we have FIBO 78.6% retracement level. And if you see, market is going up, but there is not much volume in the market, and this is pretty common in Monday market. If that happens, you can also look for some selling around 2046. And as I said, the next high of gold will be important. So after taking a sell position, do not exit at 40 pips. Yes, we exited 40 pips, but this time do not exit at 40 pips, because there's a high chance that you may get around 80 to 90 pips as well. It depends on the market situation right now. So let the market open, because the market opening is going to be very important. So stay in touch with the news. If you see any news coming up, market is going up, gold is very strong, okay, then look at the news first. Okay, there are multiple websites online. You can also go to FastBull. Also FastBull has also economic updates. So if you see that because of some geopolitical tension gold is going up, go for a buy. But if you see that there is no geopolitical tension, no war, no news, in that case you can look for a sell around 205052 or 2046. And when gold will be reversing, this time instead of 40 pips, we can also expect more than 40 pips, 60, 70, 80 pips as well. And if gold goes down, then obviously we do not have any reliable support right now. But if because of buying on DXY, if because of bullishness on DXY, if gold breaks 2027 level, we can expect that gold will be heading towards 2000, and as a swing trader or day trader, we can look for a sell. And yesterday we had a live session on Instagram, and I think I did well. Anyways, I liked it. Okay, I liked it. I liked interacting with all of you, and hopefully we will be able to conduct a live session again by next week. Okay, so you can follow me on Instagram. Yes, the number of followers are very less, so be careful because the scammers have more followers than me. The link will be in the description. And yeah, the most common question that I got yesterday was, apart from NFP, but which forex broker okay we should be using. So yes, okay, I'll be coming up with a list very soon, because usually we all, okay, usually, to be honest, okay, usually everyone recommends a forex broker, okay, that is good for them, okay, or the forex broker who provide them with highest commission. That is an honest thing. But I have observed that one forex broker cannot provide all the solutions. As a trader, our requirements are very limited. What do we want? We want safety. We want good spread. If you're a swing trader, you don't want swap. Deposits are always smooth, but yes, we want smooth withdrawal also. Okay, and sadly, there is no forex broker that can provide everything. Okay, there is always one thing that you'll not like it. So that's why I have decided, not I actually I have already come up with a list, and I'll be sharing by next week, where we will be discussing about the forex broker, so that you can decide the broker of your own choice. Okay, not a single broker, because in the forex industry, the biggest problem is the B book. Okay, the B book is the biggest problem, because you will never come to know, okay, B book, you will never come to know when the broker is manipulating against you. In most of the times the broker takes position against us, and we are not even aware of it. Okay, in our last Instagram live session I talked about B book. Anyways, I don't want to waste any further time. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, thank you so much, have a lovely weekend, nice weekend, enjoy with your friends and family. Bye bye, take care.